So guys, if you're having trouble sleeping, don't scroll up yet and watch this video because I have a product that just helped me with my sleeping problems, and this might just help you as well. This is the VitaBear Sleep Vitamins. I first saw this on TikTok and nabudol talaga ako, guys. Just correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But the ingredients of the VitaBear Sleeping Vitamins are 5-HTP, L-theanine, and melatonin. And we all know, guys, that melatonin is very helpful when it comes to treating sleeping disorders. So when I first started taking this one, day 1, I just took one VitaBear. After 2 hours pa ako nakatulog. Siguro my body was still adjusting at the time. Pero guys, starting day 2 and onward, I just took one VitaBear and in less than 30 minutes, tulog na ako, guys. And last night, I remember after taking just one bear, guys, siguro in less than 10 minutes, wala na. KO na ako, guys. Tulog na ako. The suggested use of this one, guys, is to take 2 gummies per day for adults. Pero for me, guys, okay na ako sa isa because after just taking one VitaBear, nakakatulog na ako agad. I'm just really glad, you guys, that I took the chance to try this product, and ayun, hiyang na hiyang pala talaga ako. And I haven't had trouble sleeping since then. But just a disclaimer, guys, what may work for me may or may not work for you. Pero you will never know unless you try. So guys, if you're having trouble sleeping, then why not try VitaBear Sleep Vitamins? And I really hope that this one will help you out as well. Anyway guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!